Din kienet fost l-aqwa laqgħat Ministerjali Tal-Osce. Għal dan ġurnalist Spanjol minn Kamra tal-Aħbarijiet Spanjola li qal kif minkejja li ilu snin jattendi għal dawn il-laqgħat, dik li saret f'pajjiżna kienet fost l-aqwa. Tal-istess sentiment kien ġurnalist ieħor din id-darba mill-Polonja li stqar kif il-loġistika ta' din il-laqgħa kienet waħda tajba u professjonali.
You have done the Maltese chairman person has done a very good job. I've been covering the OSCE for many years, and I have to say that this is one of the best organized ministerial council I have seen.
Logistics that I've seen have all worked very smoothly, and it has been a great opportunity to see a lot of really significant delegates and leaders and foreign ministers all here in the same room.
Staqsejnihom ukoll dwar is-sinifikat ta' din il-konferenza li tellat f'pajjiżna, kif ukoll il-fatt li ntlaħaq bil bejn is-57 membru ta' din il-konferenza.
For the very first time in many years, Russia hasn't been blocking the decisions. I mean, they really managed to unblock the election of the top 4 jobs.
The fact that Russia was here, the fact that Russia is a member of the OSCE and has to be part of all the consensus-making decisions when it comes to the 57 member states of the OSCE. And I think that is what makes this conference and forum really interesting, because the likes of Russia and Belarus have to agree to what all the other delegations agree to.